All right, I'm going to show you how to change your signature in Outlook, and we're going to cover this across the mobile app, Windows, and Mac. Let's look at the mobile app first. Open the Outlook app, then tap your profile in the top left corner, and from there, go to Settings. Here, you'll find a signature menu. Just tap that, and you can type your signature directly here, format it, or paste it in from another app. Easy enough, right? If you're using Outlook on Windows, there's a couple of different versions of the Outlook app, so the process depends on which one you have. If yours looks like mine, which is kind of the classic layout, you're going to first click File in the top corner, and then go to Account Info. Once you're there, we'll go to Signatures. Here, you'll see your existing signatures, if you have any, or you can create new ones. I'll go ahead and add a new one. At the top, you'll have a field for the name of the signature, which will be useful if you end up using multiple different signatures across your email accounts. Basically, just a name to help you identify the signature. I'll call it Primary Signature. Below that, you type the actual signature content. I'll just do something simple here for demonstration, but yours will probably be a lot better. The Format Text is where you control how the text look and is arranged, while the Insert tab allows you to put other things in the signature, like pictures, logos, links, etc. If you want this to be your default signature, check the boxes for default on new messages, replies, and forwards. Click Save, and you're all set. Now with my default signature, every time I compose a new email, this signature will already be attached by default. If you're using the new Outlook app, or you use Outlook in a web browser, it's a slightly different process. Click the Settings gear icon in the top right corner, then go to Account, and from there, you'll find Signatures. After that, it's similar steps. You'll give your signatures a name, then add the signature to the box below, choose whether you'd like that to be the default for messages and replies, all the same stuff we went over with the classic Outlook layout. And then all my Mac users, let's look at Outlook on macOS next. First, we'll click the Outlook menu in the top left corner, and from there, you'll go to Settings. Within the settings, on the left sidebar, you'll find Signatures. You'll see any existing signatures listed here. You can edit or delete existing signatures, or click the plus icon to create a new one. I'll double-click this to give it a name, and then I can type or paste my signature below. Same as before, you can choose which signature applies to new messages versus replies and forwards. Once it's all done, just close the settings window and the new signature will be added to all messages automatically. And that is how you set or change your signature in Outlook. Click that like button if this video helped and subscribe for more easy guides like this one. Thanks all.